amigos, hello friends. Today we order from is IHOP, and it's a breakfast sampler. It's called. Se llama muestreo del desayuno. So it has a little bit of everything, and of course I order a milkshake. They gave me a lot of ketchup and sauces and un montón de salsas y cosas. So in box number 1, all the goodies. Eggs over easy, tenemos huevos, tenemos salchicha, desayuno, tenemos jamón, the hash browns, ham, sausages, and bacon, tocino. And then what is this? What? Okay, this amazing banana strawberry pancakes. Pancakes con plátano y frutilla. I wasn't expecting that. It actually say banana strawberry. Decía solamente plátano frutilla. So I thought it was just the fruit. Pensé que era la fruta nomás. And this is the milkshake. Cream. Un poquito de crema tiene. Oh yeah. Oh, qué rico el desayuno. It's Sunday, right? So the way I'm doing the cyclical keto today, like this meal is my last non-keto meal. Esta es mi última comida no keto. And then I start the week again after lunch. Basically, I mean, if I were to have lunch, I'm not gonna have lunch because I'm having this huge brunch. No voy a tener almuerzo porque estoy teniendo este tremendo desayuno. Dinner tonight will be keto. La cena hoy va a ser keto. And then, like that until next Friday, lunch will be my last keto meal. El próximo viernes al almuerzo va a ser mi último keto. Keto, vamos. Okay, so I'm gonna try some of this. Vamos a probar un poquito esto. Look at this. Esto es lo que estoy mirando. It's gonna be a good thumbnail. So, do I need another light? De la cachana, the flame. So, just try a piece of ham. Pedacito de jamón. Yeah, one of these sausages. Gonna dip it on the egg. Muy buena. Gonna do the same with the bacon. Vamos a hacer lo mismo con el tocino. They only gave me 2 bacon strips, by the way, ¿eh? 2 tajaditas de tocino. Okay, so he's eating it. So that means that he's gonna let me eat in peace now for at least 2 minutes. All of this pretty good. It's a very decent breakfast, ¿eh? Es un desayuno súper decente. Because it's not huge, no es gigante. It doesn't come with bread, right? No viene con pan. It comes with the hash browns. Viene con no sé cómo se llama, la tortilla de papa, which is this, but you don't have to eat it, no tienes que comértela. I ate all the meats, basically. Ya me comí el tocino, el jamón, la salchicha. Oh my god, this is so good. Woo! Now, what to do with the pancake? I think I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna try to get this. Hopefully they don't break. Add some of this here. Yeah, like that. And then I'm just gonna do this. Oh, well, something like that, man. Because it's a lot, right? Okay, it's breaking. Yeah, I don't think I can eat it. No voy a poder comer, it's too much. I'm just gonna eat the fruit. Voy a comer la fruta nomás. Like I said, I wasn't expecting a pancake. Como dije antes, no estaba esperando un pancake. I was just waiting for the fruit. O sea, estaba esperando que llegara la pura fruta. Okay, that's it. I did what I could. I'm gonna eat the egg also. Just do this. Whoa. Now I'm ready to face the day. Ahora estoy listo para enfrentar el día. And a little bit more of the hash brown. Me comí casi todos. Okay? I'm gonna go edit now and upload this video. See you later. Nos vemos. Chao.